Tell me something about your country, if you don't mind.
What do you like think about my country?
Do you live with your family or alone?
I don't live with my family. I live alone.
You're alone. Okay. What do you do for a living?
Yes, I'm studying
You are studying university or college?
university.
Okay. Can you share with me what's your major?
Okay, I'm studying nutrition and dietetics.
That's okay. How is going on? Everything is okay in your life?
Yeah,
That's
in my life, yes.
okay. Nice to hear that. You know, I'm
Thank you.
practicing English. That's why I'm here and try to speak in English. My native is Bengali. Everyone in my country speak in Bengali language. So that's why I'm here and speak in English language.
Okay,
Give me some tips. How can improve my English?
how can you improve your English? Okay, if you want to improve your English, you can go online. Go online to learn more about, you know, you can use what's it called? Translator. So when speaking your language, you translate it into English just to know more about it better. I think that would help.
Okay. What is your native language? It's English or other language do you speak?
Speak English language and I
In your city, everything is speaking in English language?
yeah, people speak English language.
Oh, that's great. That's why your English is good. But uh, very different in my city. Uh, no one can
Not
speak
everyone
English,
speaks English.
and so many people think if you want to learn English, people thinking about of you showing off yourself. Why you speaking English? So many people thought like that.
Okay. I'm not really good though, but probably I can teach you once in a while. If you don't understand, you ask me the question, then I'll translate to you.
Yeah, I like your accent.
Either
How
way.
can improve my accent also?
You want to improve your accent? I don't know. Probably because that's just me.
Okay.
I said, how is Bangladesh? What did you call it the other time?
I don't understand what are you saying. Sorry.
I mean, your country. How's life over there? That's what I mean.
Yeah, it's life is very difficult nowadays. Everything is hard for me also because so many people here are jobless.
Okay.
It's the big problem in my country. Otherwise, everything is okay. It's a very calm and cool country. Yeah, it's a very, people are very friendly. You want to visit other country?
Yeah, I want to visit other countries though, but
What's your
not
favorite
now,
country?
anyways. Hmm?
What's your favorite country you want to visit?
Okay, probably Canada.
Canada.
That's what I want to visit.
Okay, why you choose Canada? What is the reason?
But I love Canada.
Yeah, I know
I
that you
love the
told me,
weather.
but you have
Yeah,
to a
I love.
perfect reason why you choose Canada.
Okay, if I want to go to Canada, I would rather prefer to study, like probably my master's, just to go to Canada.
Oh, you want to masters in Canada, right? Oh,
Yes.
that's great. And your country get to
Thank
Canada
you.
visa. Its process
So
is
much.
very easy. What's your favorite place in your country? If I go Nigeria, which place I should visit? Which place you recommend?
I've not been to many states in Nigeria. I've only been to Ogun State and Lagos State. And okay, Oyo State, that's Ibadan. Just three states in Nigeria. So, and the three states, I can highly recommend them well. I can recommend Lagos State. You will love it. Ogun State, you also love it. Oyo State, you love it. So I can only recommend places that I've been to. I don't know about pets. I think everywhere is okay. You can go to Abuja, it's fine. You can also go to where? You can also go to probably Cotonou is also fine. So a whole lot of places in Nigeria that you love.
Do you like food? I mean, you are a foodie person. I'm very much foodie. I love to eat.
Everyone loves to eat.
But so many people are, it's love. So many food you love. So what's your favorite food you like to eat?
My favorite food.
Yeah,
Okay. I love special rice.
special rice.
Special rice and salad. Yeah, I love it. I love plantain and egg.